Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith and you're watching Wild Hack. So yes, after a long time I've been out. In fact, I just come out this particular place, as you can see, and then I just spend my time out here, mostly within my compound. So in today's video, it's like I'm going to examine my bike because I've not taken my bike out for a long time. I'm just using the Activa. So I just wanted to check and see if the bike starts. So let's start the video, guys, and let's take a short sort of round if you're lucky. So examine my bike, and I just covered it up. Air pressure seems low. It's very dirty here. See how dusty it is. Very dusty. So this is the state of my bike.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play a rewind? Yeah, those are the guys who choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you, coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain could've got.
So finally, I've washed my bike now, and it looks quite clean. And I think so. I'm done a pretty fair job cleaning the bike now. There you go. I'll just leave it in the sun for some time, and then we'll motor vlog, guys. Or I use ideally Motul, but this is just one spare one which I have. So I'll just chain lube the bike and see how it works. Okay guys, so the bike has been washed and now it's time to ride. Okay, and one thing that you all might think that I'm not wearing a mask is just because I'm within my compound and I washed my bike. It was just within my compound, within my premises. So that's the reason I didn't wear a mask and there wasn't anyone. So just to clarify that thing, guys. Okay guys, so this is the mask I've worn, just confirmation. You need to take precaution, guys. So it's not that I'm not wearing the mask, it's just that I was within my compound. That's the reason why I didn't wear the mask. And now when I'm going outdoors, I am wearing this mask. Right guys, I have come out now and I just washed my bike, and I just want to see if it starts now, because it's almost been a long time I haven't started my bike. So let me just start it. Just washed it. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's not starting now. Not starting, man. क्या हुआ इसको? Oh, finally. I feel that my air pressure is less. I need to fill air, and also I need to fill petrol. There is petrol, but I still need to fill a bit of petrol because I do not wish to travel out regularly. It's almost been more than a month. I haven't touched this bike. Just need to see if there is any puncture guy, so I can, fill air. Oi, 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 oi. This is the second time I've entered this area, and this might be the last time I'm going to enter this place, and maybe then directly next month in June. The reason being is because I'm not going to move out of my house after this ride. I know the lockdown has been extended, so I'm just out here to purchase a few things. That's the chicken shop last time I had come in, so let me just purchase some amount of chicken. So it's so hot. This water comes up while I'm eating. I'm very thirsty right now, so just sort of not allowed, but very hot. It's not chilled as well. I'm just waiting for the guy to cut the chicken pieces. Then I need to purchase a few things. The tire is punctured as well, so I need to fill air, get a few things, sort of groceries, and then head back home, guys. So right then, here is the chicken what I bought. I bought this bag separately because I know they do not provide, they just provide this black plastic bag, which is not good, but I'll get this sorted at home. For now, I'm just going to fill some petrol, fill air, and then head home. So hot. Okay, I just have observed that my tire is punctured. You can see there, very little air. Let's quickly fill up some petrol, guys. There is an air. The person who fills air as well. I'll first do that. Are they filling air? No, I am wrong. There is some other sort of work going on there. Oh, there are vegetables being sold out here. Have a look later. Let's put some petrol here. So it is. So they're using card, but I'll still make a cash payment. Got 200 bucks. Yeah. Got 200 bucks. Yeah. 200 bucks will be enough for me, I guess. I'm not going to ride this bike for a long time, so will be enough. I still have petrol. 200 petrol will be enough. cost of the petrol today 76. 200 का डाल दे. एक मिनट भाई. इधर रख देता हूँ मैं. Better to take precautions. Okay. कार्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी. कार्ड है ना. हाँ दोस्त, कार्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी. बिल दो ना. Better to take a bill as well. Around 2.5 liters petrol is good enough. Thanks. Keep this here. Okay then, full petrol. Let me just refresh it. That'll be good enough for me for almost a month. Wanted to fill air, but now that's दोस्त क्या आहे काय आहे
भाजीपाला आहे.
इकडे विकतात काय तुम्ही
नाही आम्ही नाही विकत ते गाडी इथं आणलं त्याचं पार्सल साठी इतकेच घ्या तुम्हाला बघा
पण कोणाची गाडी आहे ती लोक अच्छा पण विकतात काय ते पण हे काय किलोमध्ये घ्यायला लागणार ना
किलोमध्ये किलोमध्ये देतात ना ते वैष्णव
देतात काय
नाही देते किलोमध्ये देते.
ओके लेट्स इन्व्हेस्टिगेट सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ
ते
व्हेजिटेबल
आले बघा ते टोपीवाला आहे तिथे.
कुठे हा तिकडे
हां
ओके ओके थैंक यू so can see large amount of vegetables करेलाज are there who likes karelas the bitter gourd cucumber dudi that's all I can see they're still selling if you want it as per kilo there is a guy selling it out not interested in buying though because I don't know what vegetables are good whether it's fresh. So this is an ATM out here. Wanted to withdraw some cash. ICICI Bank. Oh, it's not working guys. Okay, so I'm just entering the ATM.
बंदा है देखना पड़ेगा है अपना पहचान का है
बात करो कल करके यहाँ रख दो कल सुबह
जाऊंगा मला उचलून ते काम आहे
Right, so I can see that there are some people out here. And there are a lot of shops as well. So they're arranging buses. I guess this is for the people who are from other states. They've been examined out there. And then after the medical is clear, they have been seated in the bus and then departed to their hometowns. So let me quickly go ahead and fill some air because my front tire has a very low air pressure. The balance of my bike is not quite comfortable. This is just because of keeping the bike for too long, I guess. If you keep your bike or any vehicle without riding for too long, it's been more than a month, as I mentioned earlier as well. I haven't touched my bike, so I'll just quickly fill air because that is a priority for now. My air pressure is really low and I'm struggling to ride because of the front tire. आगे का जरा भर दो ना यार. हाँ आगे लूँ. See how low the pressure was. Pressure was really low. पीछे का भी देख लो ना. Behind is fine. What? ये लो तो. Right, so I've just filled air. I'll just quickly shop and take a few vegetables along. Oh. So I've reached, taken a few things now. I've got a call from home, I guess. When I'm vlogging, I don't answer calls. Anyways guys, so just taken some fruit juices because it's so hot. I need to keep yourself hydrated. That's the reason I've kept taken this. Right, so sanitizing your hands is very important. Every now and then you need to make sure. My god, it's so hot. Even the sanitizer has got really hot. Once you sanitize your hands, you feel like you're doing a good job, especially when you're outdoors. Right, so it's time to now end the vlog, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Sort of not much in it, but I just wanted to get a ride of my bike and get a feeling of the bike. And I know it's not the right place to end my vlog, but yes, I hope you'll enjoy the vlog. Please do share, comment and like, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. Yeah.